So why is Shiba Inu down? What's going on with Bone? Bone was on fire yesterday. We're going to talk about all of those things in this video. But quite frankly, we're going to have an overall discussion around kind of the state of crypto, the good, the bad, as it relates to the remainder of August and September. These are messages that I have talked about kind of here and there in different videos, but I want to make sure that you guys understand kind of the landscape and the ecosystem and the kind of the rough waters and short term that are ahead of us, and then quite frankly, the opportunity. So we're going to talk about all that in this video. All right, so let's jump into this. So right now, why is Shib down? Well, it's down because that number is down right there. You can see the overall crypto market not doing anything, not expecting the overall crypto market to be doing anything. By the way, on a side note, there's a bunch of stuff on Twitter yesterday, and I only did one video yesterday because I was not feeling well. I had a little bit too much fun on Wednesday night, just a little FYI there. So I was a little under the weather yesterday, kind of self-induced, if you will, right? There was stuff all over Twitter yesterday talking about how BlackRock has been buying Bitcoin through different kind of functions to not move the price of Bitcoin, but they're stocking up on Bitcoin. And I thought that was really interesting. Why? Because they're buying, because they are getting ready for obviously the what is to come, right? The overall market moving up and obviously all that kind of stuff. So just a little side note there. All right. So moving on. Look, here's the thing. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down. Overall general consensus sentiment about crypto in general down. Thus, Shib is down. Now, it's down right in line with everybody else and where it should be. It's not a Shib specific thing. Remember, take your blinders off. Don't just look at this in the context of what's going on with Shiba Inu. You got to look at what's going on in the overall market, things like that. Now, I mentioned Bone, and yesterday I was going to do a video. I was going to talk about Bone. I was going to talk about this. I apologize. Let me show you this. Like if you sort on CoinMarketCap, you sort at 24-hour. This number yesterday was like 15%. It was up like 15%, and everything else was like 1% up. It was nuts. It was like, oh, I got to do a video. And I wasn't feeling good. Self-induced, right? If you know what I'm talking about. Had a little bit too much vodka on Wednesday night. So there you go. Okay. Hey, I'm human too, right? I have a good time. Wife and I had a staycation here in Dallas, Fort Worth. Went down to the stockyards in Fort Worth and had a good time. Okay. So, but it was up. Now it's, and oh, by the way, we're now in like to the 36th hour, give or take, and it's still up, still beating everybody. That's that percentage. That number was right here yesterday, and it was crushing everybody. Let me show you the Bone chart on TradingView. Oh, hey, guess what? Yeah, my TradingView software, my X1 algo. Look right here. Let me show you something. Momentum down. It after the candles when it gives you that notification. So we're moving there. And so we got a 14% move down, 17% move down, give or take. So you would have minimized risk if you would have sold there. Okay. And then the other side right here, it gave it right here. So from basically there to there is a 16% return on investment. Simply using my software and just buying and selling when momentum up and momentum down comes, you could have minimized and basically saved yourself 17%. If you owned a Bitcoin, you were in profit because from a 17, if you own Bone, apologize. If you own it and then save yourself 17%. And by the way, right here, you could have made 17% a return on that. How does it work? Links in the description below to this page. There's a video here if you want to watch it. It's as cheap as I could possibly make it. There's a discount code down there, by the way, right in the description down there, so you can get an even better price than this. And look, guys, I got a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund policy, meaning you have zero risk. Try it. And look, I just showed you real time where it gave 17% return on investment. You could have just bought it after this momentum. And by the way, this is on the 4-hour chart. So this every candle is 4 hours worth of data. You could have bought it, and then obviously you can hold it. And the next time you get a momentum down right here, you can sell it, period. But it's already 17% profit. By the way, that's if you bought $1,000 worth, that's $170 worth. Excuse me, $167 to be exact. That's $170 return on investment. That one trade right there, if you were to use $1,000, if you did $100, you'd have $17 in profit with a 10% return. It would have already basically paid for basically close to more than half the price of what my software costs. So my point to you is try it. A 30-day refund policy. You got nothing to lose here, guys. Nothing, zero to lose. And it works. By the way, this is Netflix. Look, right here. This is Netflix. It showed where a momentum up was right there, 6% return, and then a momentum down. You could sold, and then right there, you can see right there. It works on stocks, works on crypto, futures, commodities, Forex, you name it, it all works. Okay. And you can use it anywhere in the world, any type of device. You can get alerts sent to your phone, email, all the stuff to help you trade better and just be more and better well informed. Okay. And that's really what it comes down to. Don't use mine. If you don't want to use my trading indicator, you're like, Austin, I don't like you. I don't want to buy your stuff. And yeah, I make money off of it. I do. But I built it for me to use, and I built it to be powerful enough for you guys to use as well, yet simple to use. Okay. Fine. Don't use mine. Use somebody's. I'll tell you, mine's cheaper than everybody else's, and it's way simpler to use. At least use some type of an indicator. Give yourself some help. After the discount code below, it's $37 a month. Here's my question to you. It's a challenge question. How much do you spend on junk every month that you don't even really need? And if you're here watching a crypto video, you're probably buying and selling crypto. Wouldn't you want more insight into when you should maybe buy and sell and be more profitable? Because how I do it is I have a long-term bag where I have bought and I'm holding, and I'm just holding. I don't care what the price is because I believe in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Cardano. They're all going to be worth a lot more down the road. But then I also do, like in this scenario, I will buy Bone and I will hold it and I will sell it, and I will buy Cardano and I will buy it and I will sell it. That's what I use this trading indicator for, because I just buy and sell on the momentum alerts. That's it. That's all I do. 7% here, 5% there, 15% there. It minimizes risk, tells you when to sell, because that's the biggest thing. I think most people don't have a clue when they should sell, because they just buy and hold and they ride out all of these potential profits. Try it. Links in the description below. There's a discount code down there. You can get it for $37. That is not a lot of money. I'll see you.